Hi, how are you? Today, guys, we are here to talk about farm animals. Farm, what is a farm? Farm é a fazenda. Então, nós vamos falar dos animais da fazenda, ok? Farm animals. Ó, page 48, ok? Page 48. Nessa página, o que você vai fazer, ó? What color is the horse? The horse is gray. What color is the rabbit? The rabbit is gray too. What color is the fish? The fish is purple. What color is the duck? The duck is brown. What color is the cat? The cat is orange. What color is the sheep? The sheep is white. Okay? What you have to do, ó? Listen and circle the gray animals. So, what animals here are gray? We have the horse and the rabbit. So you have to circle the horse and circle the rabbit. Why, teacher? Por que eu tenho que circular o horse e o rabbit? Porque eles são gray, eles são cinza. Teacher, a sheep é cinza também? The sheep is white, ok? A ovelhinha, ela é branca, ok? Very easy, right? Então é isso, amores, tá? Essa atividade, só isso aqui. Beijo, see you later.